Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Reels on Facebook. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see I'm on an iPhone opening up Facebook app. You can do the same steps on an Android or on a computer going to facebook.com. Now the easiest way to do it is to tap on the Reels icon here at the bottom left. You'll be able to see as you scroll through Reels, you'll be able to see at the top right, there's nothing. But if you scroll down, you'll be able to see it pops up with your profile at the very top right. So scroll down until you see that profile and tap on it. You can see now is your library. It shows you all of your liked Reels. You can tap on that. In addition to shared Reels, watched Reels, your profile, and even recently saved Reels. So if you want to just go back and rewatch a Reel, you can easily do that. But let's say you wanted to find your Reels that you have posted and how they performed. All you need to do is go back and tap on your profile and then tap on Reels. It will show you a list of every single Facebook Reel that you have posted. You can always just open it up to be able to see it, to see more statistics and analytics of that Reel. And of course, once you open it, you can tap on those three dots and you can choose to download it or delete it or change the audience or privacy. All of that stuff you can manage for your own Reels. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you just have any questions. Thanks, guys.